bro. We found the coordinates of the legendary Block Zero Blockbuster Fund. We are gonna be so rich.
The coordinates are locked. The ledger shows 300,000 coins buried on the Genesis Island. But the Cabal signal is approaching fast.
Bro, the space pirate ship is on our tail. The cyborg pirate and the cowboy clown are getting ready to board us.
Yarr! I just hijacked the steering telemetry. Your ship is heading straight into the concentrated liquidity whirlpool.
No worries, mates. A quick reboot of the GPS tracking daemon will override the pirate bridge.
Howdy, plebs. Hand over the Genesis coordinates. The Cabal Blockbuster Fund needs that liquidity to lock up the supply forever.
The treasure key is mine. I am going to lock this key in the telemetry pool to print infinite yield.
The vampire drone escaped with the key. It is flying out of the hatch and heading toward the central banking enclave. The vampire drone took the key. The pink top hat matches my layout, but the drama is too much. I am literally crying.